Excuse me, sorry to bother you.
Hi, no problem. What's up?
I need to use the bathroom quickly.
Okay, how can I help?
Could you watch my bag for a minute?
Sure, no problem at all.
Thank you so much. I'll be fast.
Take your time. I'm not going anywhere.
My phone and wallet are inside.
Don't worry, I'll keep an eye on it.
You're sitting right here, right?
Yes, same spot. I'll be here.
Okay, thanks. Back in 5 minutes.
No rush. Go ahead.
I'm back. Thank you so much.
That was quick. No problem.
Everything okay? Nothing happened?
All good. Nobody came near.
I really appreciate it.
Happy to help. Beach theft is real.
I know. Last year someone took my towel.
Really? Who steals a towel?
I was shocked too.
People are strange sometimes.
Now I always ask someone.
Smart. Better safe than sorry.
Are you here alone today?
Yeah, just reading and relaxing.
Well, thanks again for helping.
Anytime. Enjoy your day.
You too. Happy reading. Hi, excuse me.
Hi. Yes?
Can I ask you something?
Sure. Go ahead.
Where did you park your car?
In the lot across the street.
Is it free or paid?
Paid. $5 per hour.
Oh, that's expensive.
Yeah, but the other lot is full.
The one near the pier?
Yes, that one. I tried there first.
How far is the paid lot?
Just 2 blocks. Very close.
Is it safe? My car is new.
Seems safe. Security guard there.
Okay, good to know.
You looking for a parking now?
Yes, I'm circling for 20 minutes.
It's tough on weekends.
I should have come earlier.
What time did you arrive?
Just now, around noon.
Yeah, morning is better.
Lesson learned for next time.
The paid lot has space usually.
I'll go there then. Thanks.
Take a ticket at the entrance.
Do they accept credit cards?
Yes, card or cash, both work.
Perfect. That helps a lot.
Oh, and bring coins for the meter.
The meter on the street?
Yes, if you find street parking instead.
Good advice. Thank you so much.
No problem. Good luck.
Enjoy your day at the beach.
Thanks, you too. See you around.
Hi, excuse me.
Yes? Do you need something?
My phone died completely.
Oh no, that's annoying.
Do you have a charger by chance?
What type? iPhone or Android?
iPhone. Lightning cable.
Yes, I have one. Just a second.
You're a lifesaver. Thank you.
Here, I have a portable battery too.
Perfect. Can I use it here?
Sure. It'll take about 20 minutes.
Is that okay with you?
Yes, no problem. I'm staying a while.
I need to call my wife.
Is everything okay?
Yes, but she's expecting my call.
I understand completely.
She thinks I'm ignoring her, probably.
That happens. Dead phone panic.
Exactly. No way to explain.
I forgot my charger once. Disaster.
Yeah, phones die so fast.
Especially taking photos and videos.
True. I took so many today.
The sunset was beautiful yesterday.
I missed it. Work call.
That's too bad.
Maybe tonight I'll catch it.
Should be nice. Clear sky.
Oh, it's charging now. Thank you.
Good. Just leave it here.
I'll sit right here if that's okay.
Of course. Make yourself comfortable.
Thanks again. Really helpful.
No worries. We all need help sometimes.